All right. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Yesterday, I did not post or go live. Had a few technical difficulties. Wasn't able to actually get my computer or my PC up and running in time for the session. I took a few trades yesterday. Let's see. I actually cleared the chart from yesterday, but I took two losses and one was I was taken out at break even, well, a little bit in profit, on one position, and the other position, hit profit, hit take profit or hit the profit goal. So it was 2 losses, 2 wins yesterday for the New York session trading NQ. Today we are looking at NQ, and let's go ahead and mark this chart up. We have about 5 minutes until the market opens, so let's see. All right, let's see. Just mark off these levels of possible liquidity. Let's do that. Boom. 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 That's on the hour time frame. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Pretty much the same. We have some levels up here. That's about it. The closest one underneath this level would be this one. Would it be this? Let's see. No, it's the same. So that's an equal low right there. So we might actually see some support or a break. What do we have over here to the left? Kind of a continuation pattern. Continuation order block pattern. Let's take this off. We don't have much time to mark these up, so try to do this as quickly as possible. Let's see. Let's go down to the 15. What do we have on the 15? Boom, boom, boom. Those levels are marked off. The 5-minute levels are already marked off. Let's see. Actually, let's turn these off. We don't need these right now. Not until we're done marking up the charts. Actually, just enter the position. I saw a setup over here on my Trade terminal. I just took the position. So I'm selling M and Q. I had NQ up, but I'm selling M and Q. And stop loss is already in profit. And I think I'm about to get stopped out in profit. That was a quick scalp. I sold at 29,359 or 359 is where I sold. My target is 322. So let's hurry up. Actually, let me get to the minute time frame right now. Get to the minute. Oh, actually, let's switch over to MNQ. My position should be there. There we go. All right. So here we go. this extra stuff. All right, so that's my position. We are in profit for now. I was looking for some divergence in a retest of this area. And that's what we got. While I was marking up the charts, that's what I was looking for. All right, stopped out. Slight profit. Well, $8. This is M&Q, so very small contracts. Let's see if we can actually get another entry for this right here, for this setup. Pre-market type stuff. But we have, a minute until market opens, so I'm gonna just wait. I'm anticipating the market to actually sell off of this area. We got 3 seconds. This is a sell opportunity right here. Market is open. I have a sell stop set up. Let's get back over to NQ. Do have a sell stop set up right here. And we are in the market. Stops just above this. First take profit is 321. Take profit 2, 306. Market is kind of choppy right now. Let's see if we can get that solid push to the downside after the wicks take out the upside. And we're stopped out. All right, first loss of the day. We got a loss for the day. So our entry was entry at 356. Oh, look at that push to the upside. Wow. 356.75 was the entry. 356.75. Let's just say boom. Entry, let's see. 356.75. Stop loss was at this high at 745. Yep, that was where the stop loss was. As you see, we were in a little bit of profit, but we did not get that initial push back downwards. So that's our first loss of the day. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. So that was a loss of like $300. 350. That's not bad. Target was going to be right here. This level. These levels right here. 1, 2, and then this low. So potentially we had a target of about, let's see, can't even get it. Oh, you know what? This is what I could do. Just do boom, 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 boom. All right, cool. Just go back a little bit. All right, so take profit 1 was almost 2 to 1. Take profit 2 was almost 3 to 1, and full take profit would have been 6.5 to 1. So I think that was a good R to R. We got stopped out for a small loss. Let's see. You know what? Let's take a look at yeah, because right now we have this huge candlestick pattern that was created right here. Let's see what 50% of this would be. Boom. Possible retracement. There's a nice order block pattern right there, which was respected. Came up, pushed down, came up, pushed down, broke through. So we could easily be looking for a buy off of this level to take out this high and reach this zone up here. Actually, what price is that actually? That is 365.75. 365.75, and we are we missed it. Dang, we missed it. It came down to 371. Dang, we just missed that entry. It wicked. I had my finger on the trigger too. It wicked off the high of this level, so probably should have had the zone right here. This should have been the zone right there. Boom. Based off of this over here. Boom. That wick. And what did it do? Woof. It wicked up and hit this zone. That would have been a beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. The market is still pushing too. It's breaking these highs. It might want to break these highs and mitigate this order block up here. Dang, that would have been love. I was trying to get it at a discount. But it is what it is, you know, because we have a couple order block patterns right here, continuation patterns. But yeah, that was a nice little wick off at the top of this zone to reach the zone straight to the top. That was vicious. Look at that candle. That's crazy. We could have been in that right there. Right there. That would have recouped our loss already and then some. Ooh, pardon me. Alright. Let's see. Still working. Still grinding. Let's get it. Alright, so alright, let's see. Let's see what we got cooking up. See what we got cooking up here. Do have this level over here that it might be trying to retest. Alright, so since this one is invalidated, we didn't get that full pullback. Let's see, can we find a short off of this zone? 137 to take it back, which is a 2 to 1. The price, what's this? Price is 455.75. 455.75. We kind of missed it already. Damn. 137, because let's see. 137. TP1. That would be TP1 right there. 1 off the rip. That 1 to 1 is going to be where it's at. Full TP. Let's see if we can get a nice little. Alright, we are in the market. We are on MQ though. Small loss if it hits. We got a very tight stop. Very, very tight stop. But the target is going to be this low. There goes our profit target. This was supposed to be NQ. I switched off of NQ on my terminal, my Tradeovate terminal by accident. Well, not by accident, but yeah, we should have been deep in the money right here. Extremely in the money, yeah. That sucks. Wrong asset. Look at that. Look at that setup. Oh my God. Look at that setup. If that was NQ, you already know we would have been up like 800 off of this position so far. We'd have been in the money for sure. So, but let's just keep it pushing. That's all we need to do is keep it pushing. This is we're going for a 6 to 1. 6 to 1. Let's just move our stops into profit. Sell. That up there. Only issue, we got these tweezer bottoms, these equal lows right here, so it could reverse back up right now, but that's fine. We got stopped out and profit. Okay, so this is we got a 1.5 to 1 off of that. It's Gucci. Didn't recover from that loss just yet. Yeah, definitely did not recover from the loss. I'm missing my entries. Just missed the entry. Dang, I just missed the entry, y'all. Shit. We had the short, the re-entry. We literally had our re-entry at 453. There it is. This is our re-entry. Got me in late. It was a delayed entry. I did not like that. You know what? First target, we're going to take out this low right here. Actually, I do not like this position. We're going to hold it. I'm going to move my stop into profit as soon as we get a nice little push down. I want price to break this wick, this TP1 level. If we can get that, actually. Moving into profit right now. I'm not taking any more losses today. Already stopped out in profit. Small stop. We're gonna get another trying to get another sell in at 455. It's kind of choppy right now. I can't really get a good entry. Yeah, I'm missing the entry. It's a little choppy right now. I'm trying to get a solid entry. 45394 is the entry. It keeps wicking off, but it's not. There goes the push. There it is, right there. Come on. Come on. Damn. I was supposed to click. I said, there it go, and I didn't click. Look at that push. That's the move. That was the move. All right. So everything else is invalidated. Boom. That was the move right there. We were supposed to be selling off of 453. I did not get the position in 45375. That sucks. And I had my finger on the trigger. This would have been the stop loss. Boom. Target 3.5 to 1. Oh my God. And it's about to take out the lows. I hope y'all understand how sick I am. I had my finger on the trigger and I just didn't push. It already hit TP1 at 418.56, TP2 at 402.75. We have TP3, the final TP. Well, we have TP coming up at that low. Our final TP is 374. 374. Right about here. Yep, at this top of this zone. Getting some wicks off of this level. Boom. It actually hit. Took out the low. Took out TP2. Took out TP3. Could be taking out TP4, which is top of this zone. So we actually missed this move. Let's go ahead and delete that. Boom. That is null and void now. Yeah, that sucks. Whatever. Let me see. I think I'm still down for the day, though. Yeah, we're still down for the day after that first initial loss. Yep. Wait. Okay, yeah. Damn. That was the move. That was our entry. I fucked up. Excuse my language. I fucked up, y'all. I screwed the pooch on that one. I really screwed up on that one. It's all good. Just be patient. Wait for the next setup. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start looking at YM. Because this might be a buy setup to take it back into that range. For 1.5 to 1. 50% level. I think it is hitting that 50%. Yep, it hit that 50%. Shit. Is it really wicking off the 50% of that? Yes, it is. Look at that. Let's do a retest. I'm gonna buy the retest at 375. Too soon, too early. Too early. We need that push up. It's not a good entry, not a great entry, y'all. Buy, you want to sell at the bottom of that low. Let's actually bring that a little tighter. Delete those. I can actually delete this. And we're stopped out. Yeah, we're stopped out. Damn. Can we get a wick back up? Or is price gonna keep pushing? Price can pick up some orders and push back up. That'd be love. I might have to exit out of this joint manually. All right, if this is going to be a loss for the day, the second loss for the day, then we're going to end up just shutting down for the day. Yeah, because the entry was the 50% of that level. And I got it way too early. I got it at the top of that zone. It was supposed to be 50%. We wouldn't have been in the negative so much right now. But we're gonna keep holding until we hit the low. All right, so that was a huge loss for the day. Whoa, it's not closing. Oh, what the hell was that? Yo, what the hell was that? Nah, it did not close out my position on time. What the hell? Hey, yo. What was that? It did not close out my positions. Oh my God. That joint dumped and it didn't close it out. Huge loss. Oh my God. Huge loss. That was terrible. All right. I think today, these past couple of days have been very choppy. It sucks. The only thing I can see happening now is the wick off of this to continue down to these lows. So entry at 34725, 347 entry will be right there for the sell. What the hell? Oh, the market is just extremely choppy. Oh no. Just push it back in profit. I'm closing out for the day. That's gonna be it for me for the day. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's bad. That's bad. Bad trading day. Horrible trading day. I got FOMO. I got all types of weird psychology going on today. We are down 1853 for the day. That does not feel good. That's it, y'all. I'm good. I understand when I've done too much and I've just over traded and I'm chasing the market. That's it. Terrible day. What do I always say? We got to remember our whys. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I'm so disappointed in myself, but you know what? It is what it is. Took a loss to the loss. Should have known this was a stop hunt. Took out these lows. Now it's pushing all the way back up. Crazy. Craziness. But that's it for the day. You guys have a good one. Safe trading. Subscribing. Like the channel. You know, let me know what you guys think. Tell me what I did wrong today because, oh man, I was supposed to be, my main entry was up here for the short. Didn't take it. You know, this was the main entry for the day, and that's just terrible. Terrible, terrible luck. But that's it for the day. We're going to actually buy the market right here. Terrible trading. I just did a FOMO trade and got stopped out again. Oh, man. I don't know what's going on with me today. I really don't. I don't know what the hell's going on with me today. Shit. Yeah, that's gonna have to be it for me for the day. I can't afford any more losses. I'm almost at my daily drawdown for the day, and that's bad. So I won't be able to touch NQ for a while. I'll have to trade MNQ or MYM for the next couple weeks just to bring my accounts back to break even. Like, this is crazy. Ugh. The worst trading day so far. The worst trading day. Just fear of missing out. I'm just making stupid mistakes going against my trading plan. My entry was at the top at 452. That was the only move I was supposed to make for the day. That was the only position. 452 to the downside. Right here, this was my entry. 452. Take out 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, like, let's stop right there. 7, almost 7 to 1. That was the move, and I just got caught up doing dumb stuff. Like, man. All right, y'all. You guys see me in my lowest just now. Like that really messed with my psychology. I just kept forcing it, and I found myself in a negative in the hole, something serious. Yesterday, I had two losses that put me in a hole just like this. I was able to recoup them. Maybe that was my problem. Um, I'm thinking today is yesterday. Today's price is not yesterday's price. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just going to walk away, try to stay safe, try to, you know what I mean? Don't over leverage, don't over trade like I just did. I over traded today. I'm actually pretty damn disappointed in myself because there is no need for me to overtrade. All of my accounts were in the positive, we're in the green right now. They're in the negative now. I'm down on my funded accounts. One account is still in the green, but the others, based from today, those multiple losses that I've taken, it's just not a great feeling. Being as though I should have just waited because I knew my entry had already made its move. So we have to at times remind ourselves exactly why we're doing this and to not overtrade and overdo it. So being as though I took these crazy losses, it's Thursday. I could have waited till later on in the market. I could have just not traded at all. Being as though my setup had already played out. But yeah, man. Good luck, y'all. Have a great trading day. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be back tomorrow morning trading MNQ and MYM. I am not touching NQ for the next couple of weeks. I have to bring my accounts back to the positive. You dig? So, yeah, that's that. But if anybody's looking at the market, we do have this support being found right here. I anticipate price to break these highs. Well, actually, let's see. No, it's actually creating lower lows. So, I mean, lower highs. So let's look at the hour time frame. What is it doing? Yeah, it created a lower low. So it could easily be wicking off to push down to break lower. Yeah, I'm bummed out, y'all. I'm legit bummed out. Like, I'm down 2,300 for the day on 5 accounts. So that hurts, you know? Like, it hurts. Um, I don't know what else to say. You can tell my mental is not there. I probably shouldn't even hopped on the charts today. My mental is just not 100% right now. Got a lot of stuff going on that I'm trying to figure out. But jeez, Louise. All right, guys. You take care. Have a good one, and I will see you on the